Okay, using Desmos to check your answer when you have to substitute a value into an expression. So this is the problem we're looking at right here. Find the value of the expression below when x is equal to -4 and y is equal to 2. Especially when you have a negative number that you're substituting in, it's very easy to make a mistake with that negative. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to come over here to Desmos and we're going to type this in, -3. Now, instead of using x's and y's, I'm going to substitute other variables like a and b. So a squared, instead of using x, I'm using, and why did I do that? Because this pops up. It says add slider, and that's what we want to do. But we're going to want to add it for both variables. So now instead of y, I'm going to use b, and then plus 4. And then before I used a for x, so I'm going to do that again. Okay, so all I've done is I've typed this in and I've substituted in, instead of x and y, I've done a and b. And then it asks me if I want to use a slider. Yes, I do want to use the slider. Now here's where I come down and I put the values that they gave me. Well, I said x was going to be -4. And I said that b is going to be, or y is going to be 2. Okay, and then it just solved the problem for me. That's it. So that's how you utilize Desmos. Substitute in your variables. Notice that you have the keypad down here if you need to do square, you need to do other exponents or use parentheses. Just type it in as it is, but instead of using x's and y's, use a's and b's and such. That's it.